And today we're going to be checking out this portable soldering iron. That's right, this is USB rechargeable, heats up super quick, and is going to make those soldering jobs easy and convenient. Let's point the camera down and take a closer look. All right, so this is how your kit's going to come. Comes with a USB charging cable, 3 different temperature settings, and it also supports simultaneous charging and usage. All right, when you open it up, right on top is going to be your manual, and then you get this super nice little case with everything stored inside. Open it here, and here is the entire kit. You're going to have your USB Type-C charge cord. You have some advanced rosin soldering flux. You have a little sponge pad in there that you get wet to wipe the tip of your soldering iron off. This also converts into a stand. You're going to get 2 different soldering tips. One is ultra fine, and the other one is a little bit larger. It's like the blade style. And you're also going to get a small roll of solder. And then, of course, the star of the show is the iron itself. It does have this rubber grippy texture on it right here to help you hold on to it that much easier. Your power button's right here. You charge it up right there. And to get started, you can just take your tip. We're going to solder some small wires, and you just shove it in there until it's fully seated, and you're ready to go. One blue light means that it's on. If you tap it, you can see a green light come on, and that means you're on the low setting. Tap it twice, it turns 2 blues, that means medium. Tap it again, and now you have a red, and that means you're on the high setting. All right, so for a heavier wire like this, you're going to want the larger tip. And so that's what we're going to try to solder these 2 wires together with. I'm letting it heat up right now. All right, so there you have it. Now you can see that I plugged it in because this is portable. It does have a battery inside. I'm going to go ahead and shut this off. But the battery, if you put it on high, does not last very long at all. With that being said, it's still a really good soldering iron. I'm still going to use it for my combat robotics because I always have a power supply that I can plug this into. You know, standalone, you're only going to probably on high get 10-15 minutes of battery. And if you're working on a longer project, that's not going to work out. But the simple fact that you can just plug it into any USB Type-C and run indefinitely is definitely a plus. It's light, it's portable, it comes with everything you need. And as long as you don't have any issues with having to plug it up for longer jobs, this could be the right soldering iron for you. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.